Welcome to the channel. This is Epic Trim Bros, back at it again with a new video. This is Game of Thrones episode 7, season 7. Season 7, right? I've still been thinking of season 6 for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I've been thinking about, oh, this is called the dragon and the wolf. So,
someone getting married. Oh, sorry, not married. Fucking.
Let's go into the video.
That's the ultimate army, you see, though. Guy with like the boat come and I ain't gonna fucking.
Heroes of Blackwater Bay. Strange place for a reunion. It is, my lord.
All thanks to Sir Bronner, the fucking Blackwater. If that's not looking after myself, I don't know what is.
It's good to see you again.
Yeah, you too.
And why are we here?
This isn't about living in harmony. It's just about living.
Alright, so that, chocolate.
But have you ever considered learning how to lie every now and then? Just a bit.
A laugh?
I'm not going to swear an oath I can't uphold. Talk about my father if you want. Tell me that's the attitude that got him killed.
It is.
But when enough people make false promises, words stop meaning anything.
I'm so nervous.
I have that pit in my stomach for the last 10 hours. I feel like, when the season over, I'm just satisfied. I don't know much.
If it weren't for me, you'd have a mother. If it weren't for me, you'd have a
You
father.
better
If
say
it
this,
weren't for me, you'd have two beautiful children. I've thought about killing you more times than I can count. Do it. Say the word.
We sail together.
Holy flat, you know.
Left behind islands for Yara.
Like that, I'm getting
You'll never leave one of us behind.
No, I want to say, what a day may know that.
Yeah.
The young guy, how about he want home?
You better have a heart attack.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
What joke? What?
Stand accused of murder. You stand accused of treason. How do you answer these charges?
So,
Lord Baelish.
no, Bayless. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Thank you for all your many lessons, Lord Baelish. I will never forget them.
Oh, yeah. So good, bro.
Dang. Damn. No many cats are dead.
Yeah, shocking. Probably the most shocking death for this season. Nah, I ain't shocking.
What's that binge was pretty shocking.
Not really. It was shocking. Oh, wow.
How was it shocking?
I don't know.
Damn.
I'm not main character in season 1, you said? Or
No main character. Just main character.
Yeah. Season 1, double R.
We take back the lands that belong to us.
And then what?
You know you will.
You finally look at someone wins. You understand that, don't you? If the dead win, they march south and kill us all. If the living win, and we've betrayed them, they march south and kill us all.
Bulgarian.
No.
I told you. I told you to leave away from me.
No.
going to order him?
Are you going to order him to kill me? I'm the only one you have left. Our children are gone. Our father is gone. It's just me and you now.
There's one more yet to come.
You think of that?
No. Don't. Oh my. No. No.
I don't believe you.
It's what the high section wrote in his private diary.
He'll have seen it. Idiot! Fucking idiot!
Is this something
3A Raven? Or Samuel? I'll take Samuel.
Father Smith?
He watch him now.
Gonna show the places.
I am hers. She is mine. From this day
God.
until the end of my days. Robert's rebellion is built in a letter.
Look, great go boy, great guy, but what would kill him for his love? Barbara does something different, I think.
He left her.
And that Aegon, don't you ever call him Jon Snow again. Don't you ever call him that? Well then. Get to the new too.
No, I can't like Jon no more. I'm sorry, I can't like Aegon no more.
Yeah, they forget that. That's what
Man, he didn't know Evan we call him Jon Snow. It doesn't matter.
Oh shit!
The Beagle. Fine. He won't take down the wall, man. Because that just built ice to the wall. I just get this power. Shit, when you realize fucking Doris and he on the other side of the wall. He dead. Come on.
The Lord Commander will not die. Oh, wish upon that. He the glass. He the commander.
He's the one that will take out the dragon.
Hell yeah. I can. Nah, I know he's gonna have one like shit, and then he'll get wrecked.
Now he'll be a giant there. That'll be the dragon.
That's it. Like, I don't get it. I swear to God, they're trolling like legit had a longer black skin. And you're like, oh shit, I might even want to say. Ah, such a goddamn good episode it was.
I can't believe Aemon fucking betrayed me.
Aemon could together.
Aemon, that guy from Aegon, the Mad King, right?
Yeah.
I hate that. I love it. I hate it, but I love it.
I will guess like they brought this up pretty nicely in my opinion. I will have the Samuel and Brendan.
So I show fun. You saw Vision? Oh, whoo, crazy. That was the most funny scene ever. Like, that was
and Dion getting kicked in the nuts. I felt like Castlevania, like the last episode. Yeah. Got kicked in the nuts in that scene. Legit, no class. No class. Like, well, Dion getting kicked in the nuts. Because the thing is, you got a smile like, crazy smile ever. We know a little bass thing.
I was probably sad that he died because he was one of the best they put him on the show.
Yeah, like
the best. He won a pal with Sansa and we call it Tahoe, all this shit. Like, see what happened, I guess he is.
In my opinion, the only one reason why I didn't like it, it proves that our theory was not true. That Baelish and Belly's about to be selling our phone, but
Belly's still down.
Yeah, he'll take one for the team. He about to become the king of Westworld. Yeah, he still possibly he could take it. I don't think he's gonna do it. You know, he might be a double agent.
Form. We do an agent for the last stores.
No, that's also. But I don't think that's true at all.
Like, I think he
don't
could.
seem like it.
But he could be. He could be like making sure he got a spot.
But I think now that would be way out of the
lines, out of the ballpark.
Way out of the ballpark. I don't think they're gonna do it. They still could.
They could. Cause he
man, that thing though, like felt like he might die. Jamie saying felt like he might die.
Man, I'm pissed off that he didn't die though. I want he died this season. I mean, see, they want to kill Tyrion for some reason.
She should have killed.
But at the same time, this is not the book stuff. You know, like, they can they want to keep Jon alive.
They keep too many people alive. Lil Baelish, it bad because he was a bad guy and bad guy basically. And wow, that one less guy that gone.
Bad guy.
Yeah, some people say he's the superhero of the show. He OP.
He should have been down in the fourth place.
I thought they had trial by combat. You know?
Trial by combat. It been outruled. Who? That people in the Seven Kingdoms. You listen to that, Queen? You're a fucking idiot. Trial by combat. Who'll take a sword for you and peel like this? I don't know. And then he looked very serious, and then I've been like,
they better get that to us, and then he gonna die. That can be, or he could beat some unknown and die, and then
could always find out Sansa will find another too. I'll get it though, cause he knows he killed. She knows that he killed Lysa. Nah, she don't Bran do. That nigga crazy. I see visions. You do, huh, Bran? Yeah. I see a lot of visions. Woo.
That's so burning.
I can see in the future. Sure. But didn't you say you like that?
What's her name?
Oh yeah.
The one who got married.
Liana.
Did she love Warble? What she doing? That's only that I like. Like Warble love Paul so much. It combat wow, it's such a cool name, but I like Warble too.
But I think she did a little wake up.
Yeah, but only it
was like a we call it type marriage. They forced us to go.
Arrange
marriage. But Warble and they'll probably get married, but then.
I mean, it kind of like karma though, you know, because Warble legit treated Saucy like shit. And the funny thing is that Lyanna didn't know love him, and she already loved that guy. And Warble killed her. You know?
I like how he do it. I would like to see a lot. I want to see a battle scene between he and Warble. It looked like that. It looked like Viserys, but all together it looked like that. They're supposed to be.
It's so funny, though. Why? I swear to God, did you get him for though? I swear to God, what his name? Viserys, yeah. I swear to God, just him.
You got both bustle like facing
like that, old basically. Everyone said would be shocking or what?
It won't be that shocking. I don't think the same thing, but he
got so confused.
It's just bad because the good guy lost, kind of. But nobody will fight in that situation. Because well, he did rebel because he wanted his love back, but she didn't love him. He didn't know. I don't think he know. He might do. Yeah. We're all happy enough, so I love the scene between Cersei and Tyrion. Come on, kill me.
That was all James about that.
Yeah, I knew about that.
Because then she when she did this, I'm like, no, he did. I was just waiting for the death, and when he said, "You want to do it," he walked out.
And she just walked a little forward. He like, I like that sexy ass.
That's so cool. At least they gave his dick back basically. Cause he been like a bitch this whole fucking season. Jamie. He been a whole bitch this whole.
But he been trying to help Paul. Especially to her bitch.
And she ain't been listening to him at all.
No.
So, Is she not gonna come with them? She ain't gonna come.
Saucy?
Yeah.
No,
She ain't-
she about to take that. She about to take like Hagar,
I thought maybe.
Cassidy Walk,
Yeah.
Dragonstone. They that unprotected. They said to legit about to take everything, probably to the neck of the twins. They know that.
Yeah.
With the twins.
Wall.
Wall of foot. Where he at?
That
That
was
was
that's the wall.
Yeah, you about to say the wall. What?
I'm trying to think about it, but
If I give you another second to think, what happened that was pretty big. Just ignoring this on the 40, 50 minutes.
Yeah.
Like, they legit got me hyped for season 8. So that's 6 episodes.
I'm ready for it. I hope they're gonna make every episode one hour and 40 minutes.
Everybody an hour or 50 something. Because 4 episodes were only 50, I think. No, 52 or 50 something.
First one?
Yeah. I legit, I didn't remember waiting to you, man. You probably an hour enjoyment, all of these.
I think the last 2 episodes basically been there, like, 20 more minutes.
Yeah.
But it enough, I think, for the fans.
What episode about this one or
Last one?
kind of 7? Oh, 6.
This one, I think.
4.
I love
I'm
this
a
one.
Jon Snow fan or Aegon fan. Like, I want to say that. Oh, Jon.
Sand, call you Sand.
No, he's not a basketball.
He will be a basketball.
Aegon Targaryen.
Yeah.
She married her fall.
That's that's so funny though, that bit like a cliche, you know, like you always know like what resemble your falls type shit.
Not hilarious though.
It's like it had anything you could want in it. Again, from episode.
Everyone said they get
a death that can become famous. It might become
the most shocking death. Lord Bayless.
Lil Bayless. At least in the little face. Like who the fuck is Lil Face?
That's a Lord Bayless.
Yeah, that's bitch fuck. I don't get what else to say. It was damn good. It was a damn good episode.
I really did love it. Sounds so like the Bayless. I like.
Oh wow, I know. Like when the dragon came through that fire,
that
the blue.
Yeah.
I'm legit like fluffing off my fucking thing.
You like this.
I want to see my fucking Lord Commander though. I don't know if we'll Ed. Ed what?
Ed, huh?
What's his name? Ed what?
Oh, who?
Ed.
Who about him?
What's his name? What's his last name?
His first name is Dolores Ed.
Oh fuck, man! I thought his first name was Ed.
I could be wrong. Ed. Nah, Ed. True.
Lord Commander Ed. That we call him. Don't say that, man. It's so funny. You know who once this whole season.
You know who the Lord Commander probably out of the photo with? Samuel. Ed gonna die. Samuel gonna take it.
You better fuck off with that shit.
No, he ain't a maestro. I believe he gonna get that. Cause what he gonna do? I think he can. He might get that.
I think he'll be maestro, and then Ed probably can be the Lord Commander.
I think he'll die.
Shut up! You don't say stuff like that. That was my favorite character still.
Man, I like Sammy more.
You would sell out.
And the other guy died. Hey, got one. The battle over? No. Then well, get to it. Then he got shot.
Yeah.
That was hilarious.
Damn. Want to get out, Joe?
Do you want to? Yeah. We get. But I think one more dang game for sure. That might be one more.
We don't like anyway meeting up and shit.
Like I like that.
That was like we got like 40 minutes, like 20 minutes of that episode. And like my opinion, they could have. They should have like intertwined that's them scenes with Sansa and all those things. That was their lacking. Clearly, just show all that shit basically. You know what they needed to do, like intertwine, like you know how they do, like how they did with Blackwater. It was saucy in the battle, That they should do with this. It's fine, cause I mean, Game of Thrones usually does that. You know that? Yeah. It felt very out of place to me.
I don't think they did all purpose to maybe throw people off the scent.
Or what?
Like who about really died? Because they show at the beginning they.
But I mean, like that. What's called the Tyrion and Jaime thing, like writings on the wall. Jaime by that, she said like, find with Tyrion, so they do almost the exact same scene
with Jaime.
Jaime
that shot me.
But I also thought when they supposed to kill Blonde.
That guy can die.
You been saying that every fucking episode.
Hey,
he the guy who can die. He can die. He the guy who can die.
He can.
He can.
He
still have a fake castle.
But he might become the Lord Commander. Very funny as fuck, man.
No, he'd be legit coming out and saying, hey, wow, they did give me the castle, the wall. Legit.
Is it Low Commando?
Oh, the guy in the army who leads the army?
Nah, lead like, or sorcery, Night God, King God.
Yeah, that was, I think.
Sorcery lead her own army, not in battle, but.
She wants us.
Yeah. She killed more of the man than anybody. She like, hey, she could kill a dragon. Nah, if it was trained ball like Jamie, that'd be a hell of a fight to see. He would give it
it'd be a bit more if they don't have sex.
They won't have to be good balls.
No, like, the whole point of this thing. Don't do that when you try to say how they're trans and they're fucking.
I ain't say that.
I don't know.
Talk about
who got brought that story up. That's real.
Fuck off.
You know,
I
enjoyed it.
Yeah. I did. It gave me like season 10, season 6, episode 10. Yeah. Cause they did the exact same thing too. Cause like here together. All they had like his name was Aegon. Real name. Hey, what? No. Hey, what? It's John. Aegon. Who? Aegon. John.
Like when Aegon, he identifies as Jon Snow.
Oh, he gonna like take his name though now.
I don't want him to. I want to keep I think he would keep his name Jon Snow. Put down there start pick for him. Like,
yeah, he'll force to take that name. They will force to like get him like probably. He'll force to get him Snow.
Yeah.
I think Aegon, John.
Yeah, so that's what I think too.
Yeah, cause that would probably happen. Now, know what really want his name been?
What?
Amon. Know what want his name been?
No, I want to be. No.
No, know what Amon?
Why?
Because the old dude had a Night's Watch.
Yeah.
Amon,
that would've been way better.
But I get about Aegon because his ball.
It should have been Amon. Fuck.
It should have been Amon. They fucked everything up. Came for you.
No, we've been missing. That little female Mormont. No,
yeah.
We see a lot of we see a couple of them.
I think the first 2-3 episodes maybe.
Yeah. We've been missing her. I miss her so much. She's a great fucking get. She should be the fucking.
Put everybody down in that place.
I want to see Joel Portugal in the scene.
That'll be cool. That scene next season, hopefully.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you got a chance. We're going to be trying to add some stuff to it at some point.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. Peace.